I'm Huang from GaoQ Functional Materials Company from Nanjing, China. I'm the founder of our company. I was founded in 2011. I'm also, at the same time, I'm a professor in Nanjing Tech University, and we have a state key laboratory of materials-oriented chemical engineering. So I'm a researcher and also founder of the company. Our company is mainly based on the membrane technology. Especially, we have the key materials, key membrane materials. Based on these key materials, because for petrochemical industry is their application field. Frankly speaking, we are materials researcher. Our key technology mainly on the materials. So, for example, with our stainless steel membrane, it's quite special structure, and we make a very special surface treatment because the surface roughness is very low. With this kind of material, here we want to highlight our technology, for example, for slurry oil filtration. And of course, we have already successful practice in China. For example, our filtration system has been operated continuously for more than 5.5 years, still going on. And with this kind of record, we haven't found better record in China. I believe this kind of record is very superior even in the world. So I think our technology can solve the bottleneck for slurry oil filtration. The bottleneck means short operation life, means the filtrate is not so cleaning. With our technology, membrane filter, we can have a long operation life and a more clean filtrate. We have the key materials because in my case, I have worked on membrane technology, especially for metallic membranes for more than 20 years. And we have the technology key materials. And we are now mainly focusing on the application of our membrane materials and technology. To make the application, it's good to find the market, keep close with the market, with communication from industries. That's quite important for the commercialization of the technology. We are here. One thing is we have the key material, key technology. Secondly, from here, we want to find some opportunity to keep contact with the people from industry. That's the main reason. I come here for this conference. Yes, we have a lot of chance to contact with people from industry, and we have the manager. Yes, he organized quite good for us, and he introduced some people from industry, and we have already have some lot of constructive contact and meeting, and in future we will still keep contact, and by this way, it's the first time I have participated a lot of conference, and this conference is most special for us because here organized quite good, and the organizer BGS still they try to help for the especially useful for us from the mainly for research for technological company, and I think it's quite good way more efficient for us. During the meeting, B2B meeting, yes, we have some people, they are interested with our technology, and we can share during the meeting, we share closely face-to-face, explain what's the key technology of ours, just to, so they can understand better our technology. And of course, by this way, I know they will introduce their request, their technology, and maybe in the future we can, cooperation means they use our technology, we can use their technology to develop our business in the future. I think it's a benefit for two sides. That's quite good for this kind of discussion face-to-face to share more information. I think it's quite useful. That's the reason why I say this conference is quite special for me. It's the first time for me to have use this kind of conference. During this period, people put a lot of concern. It's a global concern on the new energy and environment protection. Of course, our company is based on a technological-oriented company, and especially we are working on hydrogen energy. As I said, I'm working on membrane technology, and for example, Palladium membrane is very efficient for hydrogen purification, and based on the membrane, we can expand application to hydrogen energy, to ammonia energy, to hydrogen production. So we make the integration with this key material and integrate with hydrogen generation. For this kind of materials, we can get pure hydrogen. With the pure hydrogen used for hydrogen energy and also for semiconductor industry for other. So that's our Palladium membrane based on this technology. We expand the application. And also, we have another kind of membrane, stainless steel membrane. It's for filtration, and also it can for gas filtration. For the new energy, both of our technology can use closely related with the new energy. I think in the future, I think this is a global trend for people to invest in the new energy. And even in the conference, I noticed they have a session for energy transition. So it's a global concern for that. In our case, we have the business in this field. Of course, certainly, we will continue our work in this field. And I can anticipate a brightening future for this field. For the conference, usually just is a very good platform for people to share ideas, to share technology or something, to find some solution, technological solutions. I think, of course, as I said just now, it's quite worthwhile. It's meaningful. Sometimes, even during research, we worked ourselves for a very long time. Maybe sometimes if we share some idea with others, we can have a shortcut or even some very brightening idea. We can solve the problem quickly. I think that's the reason why people would like to take the chance to the conference, to the meeting. For communication is quite useful. Even for, of course, for the researcher to share ideas, I think it's quite useful for us. Not only for us, of course, even we also share our ideas with others. I think they should be, might be useful for them too.